Hey everyone, want to upgrade Vent without losing your ISO files or formatting your USB drive? The good news is that Ventoy includes a built-in update feature that lets you upgrade the bootloader while keeping your existing data intact in most cases. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade Ventoy without formatting your USB drive, so let's get started. First, visit the official Ventoy website or its GitHub releases page and download the latest version for your operating system. Once the download finishes, extract the zip file to a convenient location. Next, connect the USB drive that already has Vent installed. While the upgrade process is designed to preserve your files, it's still a smart idea to back up any important data before making changes. Now open the Ventoy application from the newly extracted folder. The program should automatically detect that Vent is already installed on the connected USB drive. Instead of selecting Install, choose Update, confirm the warning messages, and allow Vent to complete the upgrade. This updates the Ventoy bootloader without formatting the USB drive or removing your existing ISO files under normal circumstances. After the upgrade finishes, open the USB drive in File Explorer and confirm that your ISO files and folders are still there. Your bootable images should remain exactly where they were before the update. Finally, restart your computer and boot from the Vent USB drive. Verify that the Ventoy menu appears and that you can still boot one of your ISO files successfully. And that's how to upgrade Vent without formatting your USB drive. By using the built-in update feature, you can keep your existing ISO collection while taking advantage of the latest Vent improvements and compatibility updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.